Hey, Bonnie. Hey, how's it going, Bonnie?
It's going alright. I don't understand this stuff.
You mean for, science or drama or?
No, math. It's just like, I feel like there's so much going on. I don't get it.
Well, you helped me with the, stuff that we worked on before, but, I kinda get what happened today in class.
Oh my gosh, I did not get any of it. What was going on?
It was about analyzing patterns and finding ways to express things using variables.
Yeah, what is that about? Oh my gosh. I mean, I just don't get it. I see that picture, he had that drawing, and I didn't even know what to do with that.
Okay, well, I can help you if you want.
Yeah, that would be great.
Oh, okay, well, so first of all, you're talking about Wednesday's classwork?
Well, yeah, for starters. I mean, that stuff was like, I don't even know what to do.
Well, okay, so you remember the border? Well, it had the problem where it was the square and then there was that inside square, right?
Yeah, what was that about?
Well, Bonnie, did you read the problem?
Well, yeah, of course I did. But I just didn't get it.
Well, maybe you should read the problem again.
Well, it says this is like a hot tub, and then like there's these tiles around it.
Well, did you know what the S meant for the problem? The S? This S is the side length of the hot tub. So you can imagine some like water here in the middle, right? And then the side is he called it S feet, right? There was S feet.
Yeah, so, I don't know. I just don't get it.
Well, Bonnie, you gotta first really try, okay? Listen, do you understand that this is 3 feet? This side right here, and this side on the inside is 3 by 3. It's a it's
3? What are you talking about?
Oh, I'm sorry, Bonnie. I get nervous when I try to teach sometimes. It was S feet. We don't know that it's 3 feet. We just know that it's S feet. And the tiles, he said, are 1 feet tall. So the tiles are 1 feet by 1 feet. And so they're the square tiles. And so what you do is you have to figure out, well, how many tiles go around the border. And you know that because it's a border tile that there's going to be 1 tiles on the corners. Now, Mr. Garcia talked about in class that even though you know that there's 1 tile on the corners, you don't know how many tiles are right here. But since it's S feet, and each tile is 1 foot, then you know there are S tiles from here to here. Does that make sense?
I don't get it. I mean, what are you even talking about S tiles? I don't even know what that means.
Well, it's a variable. I mean, we don't know how many tiles are there, but we're going to call it S. Because we just don't know, but we want to call it something instead of like a number because we don't know how many feet it is. So we say S feet. But because every tile is only 1 foot, then you know there's going to be 1 tile per foot, and there's S feet, so therefore you have S tiles.
So, well, okay, so you're saying that from this part right here, there's going to be S tiles?
Yeah, so, basically what you're doing is you're saying that there are S plus 2 tiles on this whole side.
Oh my gosh, I don't get it. What do you mean, S plus 2?
Well, it's basically like you have, here, let's count. You have this one here, you have this corner here, and then you have S tiles here. And so S plus 1 is S plus 2. Okay?
Okay, I guess, I get it. So there's S feet, then there's S tiles, and then you have the 2 sides.
Yeah, and so the whole point is to figure out how many tiles are along the entire border, okay? And so if you have S plus 2 tiles here, then, Bonnie, how many tiles do you have up here?
I don't know. I don't get it. What do you mean? I don't understand.
Bonnie, you're not even trying. Like, Bonnie, really listen. Think about it. Don't just say you don't understand. Really think about it. Look, you have S plus 2 tiles right here. In this part right here. So then how many are you going to have in the exact same spot up here?
I don't know. I guess S plus 2?
Yeah, that's exactly right. You're going to have S plus 2. But look, because you have these two other sides without the corners, how long are those?
I don't know. I don't get it.
Bonnie, seriously, you got to try, Bonnie. It's right there in front of you. Look, it's S tiles. So you have S tiles here and you have S tiles here. So Bonnie, how many tiles do you have all together?
I don't know because it says S. I don't know how many tiles there are.
But Bonnie, that's the whole point. We're writing them in terms of S. So what Mr. Garcia wants you to do is start thinking about variables and how you can write the sum and how many tiles are all together in terms of S. So your answer has to have S in it.
I don't know. I mean, okay, so what do? You just add them? But you can't add them. They're S's. You can't add it.
No, remember, you have, what's S plus S, Bonnie? Remember?
Well, that's easy. That's 2S.
Yeah, so basically you add, so what you do is you take all the sides that you know as S, like S for this one, and then you add S for this one, and then look, you have S plus 2 on the bottom, and you have S plus 2 on the top. Now, remember, there's other methods, so you could have S plus S plus S plus S. That's adding just the sides first, and then you can add the 4 corners. See?
Okay, I think I get it. So you're saying that basically we can say that the sides here are just S, right? And then you have S plus 2 and S plus 2, and so you could just add them up. But then you can't really put them together, right?
Well, no, that's the point. Here, hold on a second. So do you understand that you add the S's together and everything? Yeah, I think I get it. Yeah. Okay, well, I want you to see that I added the 4 S's here and I added 4. But I can simplify. Remember, you can combine like terms. So there's a 1S here, a 1S here, a 1S here, and a 1S here. So, Bonnie, how many S's do you have?
Well, that's easy. It's 4.
So what do you put with the 4?
I don't know, 4S?
Yeah, because you have 4 S's. Now remember, that's different than S to the 4th. That's S times S times S times S, not plus. So you don't want to do that, okay? Don't want to do that. So then your final expression is going to be 4S plus 4. And look, that's the same thing if you say S plus 2, S plus S plus 2 plus S plus S. Because then you combine these terms right here and you get 4S plus 4. And so when Mr. Garcia has you do it in 2 different ways, then you can just put them together and you can see that this method gives you this one, but then this method gives you that one.
Okay, I get it now. So basically we're just figuring out how to add the tiles, but we're writing it in terms of S, and since we learned how to simplify expressions, we can just combine like terms and we get a final expression.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Bonnie. Good job.
All right, well, I guess I get this. Thank you, Cory.
No problem, Bonnie. Anytime. You help me, I help you. We got each other's back, right?
Totally.